Hi guys, welcome back to my first ever video. Today, to just get you introduced to my squishies, I'm going to be doing a squishy collection and I've got lots of squishies to do. And just so you know, I will be posting on I'll be posting 3 days. So I'll be posting on a Monday, a Tuesday and a Thursday. Oh wait, I'm going to add 4. And a Sunday. So that's when I will be posting. So I'll be posting today and tomorrow and Thursday and Sunday. So yeah, I'm going to get on with my squishy collection. First is this soft and slow cake squishy. Next is this really defective burger that my brother broke and drew on. Next is this milk box. Next is this poop. I'm going with all the defective squishies. Next is this pineapple. Next is this unicorn on the moon squishy. Next is this dinosaur. I'm not going in any specific order or anything. I'm just going in the order. Got this coffee cup squishy. I've got this massive pig squishy. I have this stress reliever squishy. I have this shower dog squishy I got from Banggood. I have this squidgy. I also 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 have this squidgy. And I also have this squidgy. I think that's all my squidgies. I have this homemade panda bun squishy that's really, really bad. I also have this homemade Minecraft figure. Takes so bad. I have this perfume bottle that's also homemade, and I just have this to just play with. I don't know why. I have this panda egg squishy. I have this Cinderella princess squishy. I have this Ariel squishy. I have this strawberry dipped in chocolate. I have this unicorn body, and I also have unicorn head somewhere. Oh wait, no, I have this jelly as well. I have unicorn head somewhere. Where is it? Oh, this is the unicorn head, but the half cut will be as the other half. I have this, I think it's a seal. What is it? Sloth. I have this mini Billy the Whale. That's fake. And I have this jumbo Billy the Whale. It's licensed, but I think it's fake still. I have this dolphin if I didn't already show it. I have this pop sheep. I have this ice cream squishy. I have this peach squishy. I also have this emoji bun squishy. I have this kawaii pineapple poop squishy. I have this really defected marshmallow cake squishy. I have this stress reliever that I do count because it's like really soft. I also have this stress reliever that I do count because it's also really soft. I have this computer game controller thing. I have this Squish Delish squishy. I have this, it's called an owl. I have this cloud squishy. I have this dolphin squishy. This peach squishy. And I'm going to show you the poops, all the poop squishies. Have I showed the poop yet? Might not show the poop. I haven't showed the poops. So the poops look like this. They're just these but different colours, really. I think I have 4 different colours. I'm sure I have 5. Wait, do I? No, I don't. I have this pink one. And I have this purple one. There is a difference. I have this yellow one. It's really soft. I also have this blue one. I have this panda bun squishy. I have this panda face bun. I have this mermaid. I have this macaroon. I have this four squishy. I have this eat me cookie. I have this donut squishy. I have this chocolate thing. I have this crab, I think it is. I think this is the Hello Kitty like love heart thing. I have a cat in a cup squishy. I have all these little bits of squishies that I count all together as 3 squishies because they're all quite big. Oh wait, no, I count it as 4, don't I? I count all these little bits as 4 because there's quite a lot of them. So I have this cat squishy, have this face bun squishy, have this kawaii bed squishy. I have these 2 unicorn on a floaty together, but they're ripped. I have this homemade squishy that's really bad. It's off my Squeeze-A-Mo. Have this squidgy. Have this bread squishy. Have this plain green cookie thing. Have this bear squishy. This fish squishy. Popsicle squishy. This bear squishy. Oh my god, we're so about to go through. This strawberry squishy, unicorn squishy. I have this donut squishy, plain donut. This orange panda bun. It's mini. I have this croissant. I have this really soft baguette, mini baguette squishy. I have this banana. I have this face bun. I have this bracelet. I have this face bun. Has this plain squishy, this cat squishy, this mushroom squishy that's really defected. We've got 5 squishies to go. This lime squishy, this foot squishy, this face bun squishy, this cat, and last but not least is a fish squishy. So that was all my squishies. I hope you guys enjoyed the first ever video on my channel, even though it was like 6 minutes and 7 minutes, I don't know. But yeah, these were all my squishies. I hope you guys enjoyed my first ever video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.